Make money doing what you love in 2023, passive income. Today in the Make Money Doing What You Love video, we will look at the 10 ways you can earn a passive income. Want to earn more money without putting in extra time at work? When you want to make money but don't want to put in any effort, passive income is a fantastic choice. In 2023, the following are likely to be the most widely implemented strategies for earning passive income. 1. Purchase an investment property. In need of novel ways to start bringing in passive income today? If you're looking for a means to generate income with no effort, real estate investing may be the way to go. There are two main ways to make money doing what you love in real estate, either by renting out the property or by fixing it up and selling it. Putting your money into real estate is a terrific method to generate passive income and spread out your earnings. 2. A startup venture. Need extra money but don't want to work any harder? You can supplement your income from a full-time job by starting a side business on the side. It has the potential to provide you with the autonomy and progress toward your monetary objectives that you have been seeking. Selling goods or offering services online are just two of the many alternatives available to you. 3. Investing in the stock market. When done properly, investing in the stock market may be a fantastic source of passive income. There is more than one way to create passive income from the stock market, and the method you choose will depend on your risk tolerance, investing goals, and current financial condition. You may, for instance, put your money into index funds, exchange-traded funds, or cheap stocks. Investing in several markets and businesses can also help you spread your risk. 4. Make your own products to sell online. Making and selling things online can be a great source of passive income for those who are resourceful and entrepreneurial. If you have a skill that other people would pay for, this is a great opportunity for you. Your talents can be put to use in the marketplace by creating items such as jewelry, paintings, or clothing. 5. Buy stocks that pay dividends. Investing in dividend stocks may be the best option for those who want a steady stream of passive income. Stocks that pay dividends are a good option for those who want to build a retirement nest egg that won't fluctuate too much in value. Understand that dividend stocks are very speculative and require extensive due diligence before purchase. 6. Start your own real estate business. This will not only guarantee you a regular income, but it will also offer you with a solid investment that can appreciate over time. Consider the time and energy required to rent out a home when deciding if becoming a landlord is the right choice for you. The moment you sign a lease with a reliable renter, you will start receiving rent. Once you've established a steady cash flow from your rental properties, you may use that money into expanding your business or into more passive income streams. 7. Make videos and upload them to YouTube. Creating videos for YouTube could be a great side hustle if you're looking for a way to earn money while doing something you enjoy. You may make films on anything that interests you, from your travels to your cuisine to your makeup tutorials, and even make money off of it by placing adverts on your videos. With a larger number of subscribers and views, your videos will be more likely to generate revenue through YouTube's monetization scheme. 8. Make money fast with affiliate marketing. Make money as an affiliate marketer by advertising goods and services offered by other companies and receiving a cut of the proceeds from any sales you generate. When executed properly, this can be a lucrative way to earn money with little to no involvement in stock management or client relations. 9. Build a mobile app. If you want to make money while you sleep, making an app is a fantastic option. First, settle on an app concept. Then, investigate the market to discover competing apps. Then, estimate the cost of creation and promote the app. In-app purchases, subscription models, and advertising are all viable options for generating revenue once an app has been deployed. 10. Put out an electronic book. Do you wish to supplement your income by writing? Therefore, why not try your hand at creating an electronic book? Your electronic book can be released in a number of different ways, including on your personal website, through an online store like Amazon, or on a digital publishing platform like Kindle Direct Publishing. It's worth emphasizing that you don't have to have any prior writing expertise in order to release an e-book. And with the proper advertising approach, you may expand your customer base and revenue. How to find the right idea for passive income for you. It's important to take the time to learn about the different ways to make passive income and decide which one is best for you. With so many choices, it can be hard to figure out which one would be the most profitable and long-lasting for you. When looking for ways to make passive income, think about your interests, skills, and financial goals. With the right plan and strategy, you can be on your way to being able to do what you want with your money. Taking time to work on your ideas for passive income. Thanks for watching. Please visit our site for more methods and full write-ups.